Well, ladies and gentlemen, this is the quarterfinal game at Municipality of El Nido ng ating first batang Palaweño and the Municipality Basketball Tournament 2025. All set ang bakbakan ng San Vicente laban sa team ng Municipality of Bron. The ball is up, ball is on, let's get it on, let's play for this opening quarter. Let's play some basketball. Outside chopper with jersey number 3. Nating bakit, pulit 3 points. Para sa maagang 3-pointer mga kaibigan, mga tropa nagiging nakulay o kulay yung buhok, unang pagkulay. Itong number 3 for team of Municipality of Bron, ating buyan sa atin. Ang mga tropa po natin nagkayo pa ng galing ng munisipyo ng Bron, for team of Yellow. Katabyan sa information jersey number 3, 3-pointer. Hindi makakabawi itong batang ama for the 21-foot play for team of San Vicente. Hindi nagiging maningling yung unang dekada at itong mga tropang nagbatong maningling. At for team of Municipality of Bron, for jersey number 8, 3-pointer. Let's good! For 3 points! He's a 3-point shot for team of Municipality of Bron. Let's go to us. At po sa akin ng ating dead member, Anton Alvarez. For team of San Vicente, jersey number 0, Abian working from the red plane. In a 3-pointer. Good once again. Hindi pa rin mabasket para sa mga tropang San Vicente dito. At kung sumisid bro, sisisid itong mga taga-dagat mga kaibigan dahil sa inyong sumisid. Itong malasiman, magsisisid mga kaibigan for team of Municipality of Bron. And pole position for team of San Vicente. We have only 8 minutes and 56 seconds, 14 seconds on the shot clock. Shot number 8, good for the 3-point territory. Hindi umasret at your team of yellow shirt, 14 Municipality of Bron, side step. Pero tatawagan ng traveling violation. Dahil sa barko nga po mga kaibigan, pwede kang bumiyahe gamit walang passport. Pero yung pagbiyahe na walang pasaporte, tatawagan ng traveling violation ng ating Superman na officiating referee. But wearing jersey number 25 for team of San Vicente, going on the left side. Franzuela, naiipit yung batang Franzuela, ibibigay sa kanyang kasama. Huli ng batang pulis ng kalawangan. Number 6, Alumbay, Nugud Bay, Alumbay. Hindi umasgat yung huling pagsakakay itong batang Alumbay at for team of Municipality of Bron. Ibibigay sa pulis ng kalawangan, Jim Ablin, going to the right side. Itong unang pamunay mga kaibigan ng number 3, pero hindi makakasunod from the Ranger Country. Number 5, Liu, ang isa rin sa mga apilyadong kilala dito sa bayan ng El Nido. Pero speaking of pagpapakilala mga kaibigan, following us with wearing jersey number 3, nagpapakilala na itong officiating referee. And push-up coming up, wearing jersey number 5 for team of San Vicente. Dalawang free throw mga kaibigan, first free throw, good for 1. We have only 8 minutes and 4 seconds remaining para sa ating opening quarter. Jersey number 5, Lee. Last in the final free throw, no good by Lee. Hindi bumasket para sa batang Lee. 8 minutes to go for this opening quarter. Ibibigay sa jersey number 8 for team of Municipality of Bron. 3-pointer, masyadong malayo. Kuha ng mga tropang San Vicente dito, number 5, Lee. Yung sinasabi nga po natin na isa rin sa mga batang kilala dito sa bayan ng El Nido. But Franzuela, hindi umubra from the yellow paper team of white shirt. Huli! Pero for the huli, meron rin mahuhuli yung guwapong officiating referee. According to officiating referee, para the super jersey number 8, equal arm, 2 shot, up of shooting, 2 free throws. Pasuyo naman po kay nanay o sa palangga pong nagbibideo, palangga, baka pwede pong papatay po ng flash mo natin at pwede po tayong mag-video, bawal lang po yung flash. Thank you so much. Happy viewing. Rupido, the big boy Abian from Municipality of San Vicente. Dalawang free throw yung magiging regalo. Pero unang pagbubukas ng regalo para sa Pico. Good by jersey number 0, Abian. Last in the final free throw by Abian number 0 for team of San Vicente. Abian, good for 1 point. We have only 7 minutes and 36 seconds remaining para sa ating opening quarter. Number 8, Ongtengo, ang apilyadong kilala sa bayan ng Bron. Ibibigay sa kanyang teammates ang pulis pagkalawakan, Jim Ablig, Jim Ablig. Hindi ba basket for team of yellow but for team of white shirt, San Vicente. Ganda naman yun! Good boys! Yung dapat yung mga hinaka hinahanap po natin mga marunong pumasa. Hindi tulad ng mga ex yung puro pasa. We have only 7 minutes and 7 seconds remaining. Kick out at the left side. Sa batang na kulay yung draw, magiging makulay ang ipupuno. Good boys for team of Municipality of Coron. 4-8 mga kaibigan, ang bante ng 4 puntos at nakayari sa balkonahe. Mga tropa natin at nasusobrahan ng pag-ayakay mga kaibigan. Tatawagan ang traveling violation ng ating SPP. Substitution. Leave out jersey number 3, coming in. Laksamana. With a ball of 6 minutes and 48 seconds remaining, 6 minutes and 47. 4-8 mga kaibigan, ang bante ng 4-point leader team of Yellow dito. Pass break, error pa sa nangyari for team San Jose. But for team of Yellow, ang pulis pagkanawagan, sumabay ka ba? Huwag ka nang lilito. Good performance by Jim Abig. We have only 6 minutes and 27. 6-4 or 10-4 rather. 6-point lead. Pero yung magandang connection ng mga tropa po natin for team of San Jose, hindi rin magpapapigil. Batang magiging for team of Green, one shirt. We have only 6 minutes and 10 seconds, 17 seconds on the shot clock. 6-10, 4-point lead. We have only shot clock down 10. It's on with your team of one shirt. Jersey number 65. Maybe put that one out na rin. Ayaw pa rin tanggapin. Good boys. Isang maniobra sa pulang pintura mga kaibigan itong tumira-tumira. For team of San Jose was progress sa influence sa atin kung ating butihing mayor ating Ami para sa marami ang ating butihing mayor na San Jose ang Santo Nico Bernor. But as a jumper masyadong malakas substitution rep jersey number 12 out, number 14 Ganya coming in. Ilalabas itong Barodo mga kaibigan, number 12 at papasok itong Sir Ganya number 14 with your team of Municipality of Barodo. We have only 4 minutes and 31 seconds. 3-pointer, nothing but there, hindi tumama. 4 team of green shirt, but 4 team of yellow. 4 na depensa, or 2 depensa, 4 na opensa. Walang magagawa sa mga mamang nagwawala. Burn! Good performance by Abian! Isang malupit na pangangaliwa nitong malaking mama, nagiging successful by Abian. But 4 team of yellow, bayan ng Coron. We have only time remaining 5 Isa tutun siya pero Prego was Broguas ng ating minamahal na mayor sa bayan po ng Ilino, ang ating Ma'am Edna Gakotlim. At punta mga kaibigan for team of white and green shirt. At gawa ng bukag na kuha at ang pulitong Daniel, isa sa mga mamang ulit for team of Municipality of Coron. Pero yung pulis nakalawa ang Mariona. Time out! Time out! We have only 4 minutes and 34 seconds. 4 na minuto 34. Dapat nawag ng tamot with your team of San Jose dito. Score 10-16. Ang bago ng kalahating dosena, mga tropang munisipyo ng Coron. Sa mga tropa po natin hindi po nakakakita ng ating monitor, we have only 4 minutes and 34, 10-16, 6-point lead for your team of Yellow, bayan ng Coron. Back in action, babalik po tayo sa ating ball game with only 4 minutes and 34 seconds remaining para sa ating second or first quarter, half number 1. Ito pa rin po ang ating quarterfinals na ginaganap sa bayan ng Ilino. Ang ating first batang Panawenyo ay hindi tulad sa atin ng batang Panawenyo. Ibalik natin sa Kongreso ang ating boss, Chicoy Alvarez, 3-pointer, no rule from the Rainbow Country. Hindi pumasok mga kaibigan, battle for rebound. We take yung yellow number 16 out. Ibibigay rin sa isa ng mga kulay yung buhok mga kaibigan. But Cholo de los Santos, no good by Cholo. We have only 4 minutes and 8, 10-16. We have a 6-point. Put back by Venezuela. Alam tayo, no good, but put back once again. Good points. We have only 4 minutes. 12-16, 4-point pinakapante. 4-4 Chim Ablig. Nagiging katimbang ng mga kaibigan. That there's a whistle blow according to officiating referee from SVP. So Jones Miranda. Followers number 11, called for blocking foul. Ablig out. There's Tito Abayan coming in. First will foul in 3 key fouls. Substitution here. Jersey number 6 out, Enriquez number 2 coming in. We're only 3 minutes and 43 seconds, 12-16. Abante po ng 4 point, pero magandang depensa pinapakita ni Don Jonathan Santos. Ba't mag-aagawa ng buong mga kaibigan? Kaya po yung mga single dyan, mapapasana all na lang, pinag-aagawan. We have only 3 minutes and 34 seconds. 3 minuto 34 para sa ating opening quarter. Is a battle battle ng San Vicente mga kaibigan laban sa team ng Bayan ng Coron. Kung sino pang mananalo dito ay abante sa ating semi-final round. Yung yung jersey number 6 per team ng San Vicente. Hindi mo master per team ng White and Blue shirt. Coach dito ay Abayan. Kakalap from outside. And sa long 3-point. Good Blue Boys by Abayan. It's a long 2-point mga kaibigan dahil malino na nakatapak pa na 21-foot lane. Itong isa sa mga butihing coach for team of Presidente Coron nang sila po naglalaro sa Paragatan. But speaking of Paragatan mga kaibigan, isa mga Paragatan player for team sa Vicente. Good performance by Laksamana. We have only 2 minutes and 50. Laksamana papasaro yung depensa pero yung kaharap, isang magandang coach ng Bayan ng Coron. Kaya huli yun. 3-pointer, Enriquez from downside. Nothing but net. Pulit kong pulit. 3 points. 2 minutes and 37. That there's a whistle blow according to officiating referee. Almost number 2, pushing foul. Substitution. Laksamana out. Number 1 coming in. Los Salas. With 2 minutes and 35 seconds mga kaibigan, 2 minuto 34. Antones number 10, going to reduce number 1 Lozales. Shot clock down to 12. Jonathan Santos, but there's a whistle blow. According to officiating referee, followers to reduce number 10 blocking foul. Substitution, up and out. Number 17 coming in. First personal foul and first team foul per team of white and green shirt Bayan ng San Vicente. Ilalabas itong big boy. Abyan at papalitan ko itong kanyang kakahang number 17 for team of green and white shirt. We have only 2 minutes and 30 seconds. First to Abayan, Coron Enriquez, 3-pointer. Ito ang isa sa mga key player for team of Coron. No good. But when it goes to number 17, sasangkal at aarang-ana. Wala pa rin. Well, there's a whistle blow last touch. With your team of white and green shirt. We have only 2 minutes and 6 seconds. 2 minutes and 6 seconds. 14-21. These are quarterfinals. Kung sino mong mananalo dito ay abante sa ating semi-final round. At kung sino mong matatalo, yun na po ang uluyang mamamaalam sa ating torneo. But there's a whistle blow according to officiating referee. Para the wearing jersey number 17. Holding foul. And down with your team of Municipality of Coron. Napatawag ng tayo mga kaibigan for Team Piano. At kung may maalis, magbabalik po kami after the short break. With only 159 balik mo tayo sa ating ball game, isang minuto 59 na tipo na para sa ating opening quarter. We have only 17 seconds on the shot clock, 14-21. Daniel number 14, ipapagpag itong Antones number 10. Daniel lilipan itong batang kulot pero walang mamumulupot sa kanyang pagkilit doon sa pulang pintura per team of Coron. We have only 148 seconds per team of Rodney Green shirt. Pull up Jay. What a good third block. Number jersey number 9, Francois. Isog Super Clubes de Venezuela. Pero pipituhan mga kaibigan yung mga tropang tagabayan ng Coron, yung piling na nakauli na sa bahay, bigla pang nangapit bahay. All for congratulations for Team Oviedo, Region in One-Shot Basketball, San Giuseppe. We have only 130 seconds. 130 seconds, number 10 and Collins going from the Rainbow Concrete, 3-pointer goal number 1, no good. Makuha itong Enriquez sa mga bilyadong kilala dyan sa bahay ng Coron. Fast break, ibibigay kay Jonathan Dos Santos. Nakikita po natin mga kaibigan, mukhang magulo at hindi po natin nalalaman kung sino pumapasok for team o municipality of Coron dahil sila nga po ay halos lahat may mga kulay yung buhok. We have only 150 seconds. 16-21, abangin ng 5-point. Lucy number 1, Rosales, going to the left side. Ibibigay kay Franzuela. Ipapagpagin ng Rodriguez, pero nakitang mas open from the yellow bay. Good boys! This is a Cooper basket for team of San Giuseppe. Was progress at impulsado ng Ami para sa marami. Ang ating son to be governor, ang ating budihing mayor ng San Giuseppe. But Jonathan Dos Santos, never will on with them remaining. 46.6 seconds. 46.6 seconds mga kaibigan, natitira po sa ating opening quarter. 18-21. Ang pante, 3-point with your team of Bayan ng Coron. We have only last 40 seconds. 18 seconds on the shot clock. Rosales, ibibigay kay Franzuela. Franzuela nga atake. Cross court. Dakaro, number 17. We have only shot clock down to 8. We have only shot clock down to 6. 5 seconds on the shot clock. Shot clock down to 3. Liga play. We have only 20 seconds. 5. Good boys. Sariling hanap buhay at muling sasalakay. We have only 12. We have only 10. 9, 8, 7. 6.2 seconds. 6.2. There's whistle there going to be shooting referee, St. Jason Japan Temeros. Always number 17. Always number 17 pushing foul, second personal foul, and 3 fouls. Number shot clock, we have only 6.2. 6.2 seconds, normal shot clock. We have only last 5. Enriquez 3-pointer, no good. Really the high. And that's the buzzer end of the opening quarter. Ang bakbakan po ng bayan ng El Nino laban sa team ng mga tropa po natin tatawagin po ng dagat, bayan ng Busuanga, 440 at Tatinori. Bagamat sa second game pa nga po yung susuportahan ng mga tagabayan ng El Nino, pero nandito na po yung mga tropa po natin baka magkaubusan po ng makukubuhan. Once again, coming up next ang bakbakan ng Busuanga laban sa team ng hometown El Nino. Ladies and gentlemen, back to the movie. Second quarter of the game. The second quarter of the game. Ang ating pong first batang Palawenyo or ang ating batang Palawenyo, ibabalik sa Kongreso ang ating boss, Chicoy Alvarez, at ang ating amin para sa marami, ang ating budihing mayor ng San Vicente, ang son-to-be governor, at ang ating pinakagwapong board member, ang ating Anton Alvarez. Good for boys, Jolo Santos! And the producers by Jolo Santos was brought to us sa ito sa ating municipal coordinator, ang ating Bentley Lee ng Bayan po ng El Nino. 9 minutes and 36 seconds remaining. Left to finish, number 13, Walton T-shirt. Hindi makakakuha ng 20% at puro back. Good for boys. Going to si number 6 for Team San Giuseppe. Lilipad. Good for boys. Sa muling pagdamag mga kaibigan ng Magic Pandahan, 2 puntos yung muling maibabalik sa kanilang talaan. 22-25, abante ng tatlo mga tropang meron dito. Number 1, Lasanas using the slip, the winning jersey number 10. Nakitang kumasalan ng bilat, ikutan ng bola yung mangyayari, come short. Dahil po iba, nakuha nitong Jonathan de los Santos, number 4, tinagbayan ang ball. Jonathan de los Santos, moving the Jonathan, but there is a ball. Hindi pa naging successful pero merong nakitang batang pumakel. And ball was with winning jersey number 10. Ibar, 2 free throws. Substitution, Bavaro number 34, Kami Lan. Second personal foul in first team foul para second quarter. Number 1, nasa unang kalahati pa lang po ng ating paglalaro mga kaibigan. 2 free throws coming up against jersey number 4, Jonathan de los Santos. Last in the final free throw, Jonathan de los Santos. Kung may kalabaw yung Isabela, meron din kalabaw ng koron mga kaibigan. Ito si Jonathan de los Santos. With 8 minutes and 50 seconds remaining, agawa ng buko, number 15, ibibigay kay Kanya. Triple shot, good! Wala pa rin! Hindi magbabasket pero merong nakitang kamay na matigas. Nagdadamitin pang ang pass. All of us super legacy number 9, hit to the head, Pusha Kanga. Yung kamay na matigas mga kaibigan, ginamit panghampas imbis na panglamas. Panglamas ng gata at panglamas ng harina na pwedeng gawin pandesal sa umaga. Subdivision. Jersey number 1 out. Jersey number 7. Di Bandina coming in. Publico España number 4 or number 14. Was Bruno Magdana at the free throw line or from the strike. Hindi pumasok mga kaibigan. Last in the foul free throw. Against the winning jersey number 14. Last in the foul free throw. Good for 1 point. With 8 minutes and 37 seconds remaining para sa ating opening play. Number 9. Ibibigay sa kanyang teammates. Laglag sa ilalim. Yun na naman yung mga magandang komunikasyon. Magandang kombinasyon na patuloy na pumapatay sa bahay ng Coron. We are calling 8 minutes and 24-26. Ganya 3-pointer. Likod by Ganya, in and out. Battle for rebound, tatlong may kulay mo ang dadampot. Pero sa tatlong may kulay, walang makakadampot ng bolang may kulay mga kaibigan. Ball position for team of San Vicente. 8 minutes and 10 seconds, 24-26. Dalawang punto sa battle for team of San Vicente or for team of Bayan ng Coron. Kick out, number 10 3-pointer to take the lead. Wala for team of Bayan Green. Ganya, jersey number 14, lilipad. Yes, sir! Good! For 2 points. 7 minutes and 15. This is a triple shot by Ganya was blown to us. Halip po sa akin ang minamahal na mayor ng Bayan ng Iloilo, ang ating Ma'am Edna Gapot Clear. 7 minutes and 40 seconds. At good connection, good communication, good performance once again. Patuloy mga kaibigan yung magandang pasahan ng mga tropang San Vicente dito. Mukhang na tuwing na maganda ang kanilang head coach. But there's a reason blow. Pero bago pa mangyari yung blow mga kaibigan, isa sa mga player ng Bayan ng Coron, babagsak sa ating floor. Following with winning jersey number 34. Number 34, Corporate pushing ball, 2 free throws. Up and out, Jim Abli, number 11, ang pulis pang kalawaan, Kami. First personal foul and 3 team fouls. Nakita nga po natin bumagsak mga kaibigan si Ganya sa ating sahig, pero pinagpaglang dahil nung sinasabi po natin sa ganyan, yung mga ganong bagsak, hindi po yung talagang totally masakit. Mas masakit pa rin po yung iniwan katapos pinagpalit ka sa malapit. Tutrito, Jolo, de los Santos. First free throw ng Jonathan de los Santos, level to Jolo. Shoutout po sa mga tropa po natin nakarelate at dahil pinagpalit na nga po sila sa malapit, but same shot, yung malapit na kiragal ng Jonathan de los Santos hindi kumagat, but for Team of Coron, pulled back once again, back over ng Chivag League, pero mabibitawan para sa tropang pulis mangkalawakan ng Bayan ng Coron, third position for Team of San Vicente, green shirt, basketball, defense, offense, defense, 7 minutes and 10 seconds. Jersey number 10 for Team San Vicente. Lady up once again. Wala! Number 7. Maaagad ng Jonathan de los Santos for Team Yellow. We have only 7 minutes now. Jonathan de los Santos Santos finding the open man, kick out, Capiola, three-pointer, no good by Capiola. Hindi ko magagamit ng Capiola from the arc. We have only 6 minutes and 49. Stone by Capiola, recovered by Team Red Green. Agawa ng Bruno, Dr. Suri. Over the shooting referee, Sir Joey Supenda, calling us number 15. Calling us number 15, holding foul. Substitution, Nino Santos out. Jersey number 1 coming in, Ibonga. First personal foul, also first team foul. Venezuela out, the big ball Abian, the great ball coming in. In 6 minutes and 43 seconds, 16 seconds on the shot clock. 6 minutes and 40 seconds, three-pointer, triple shot, the goal ball, good performance, Bayablad! Isang magandang pag-dribble shot mga kaibigan, yung kamay na malikot na dapat pinapangkamot, ginamit pang bukod, good performance, Bayablad! 6 minutes and 20, triple shot, kay Kanya, good performance, good performance, ang pulis pangkalawakan, Chie Apuri! Connecting Cubans for Team ng Bayan ng Boron. Isang grupo shot mga kaibigan ng Team ng Bayan ng Boron ay atuplan sa atin ng ating amin para sa marami ang ating son to be governor, ang mayor ng San Vicente. At speaking of San Vicente, muling dumani itong Great Ball Abian for Team of Bayan Green Shield. With only 5 minutes and 50 seconds, ikot na ng bola, Chip ang tigilipad lang sa kanyang kasama. Good performance once again! We have only 5 minutes and 46 seconds. Patuloy ang pananalasa ng Bayan ng Boron, 30-32. Walang gustong magpatalo mga kaibigan dahil sa quarterfinals na nakakuli tayo. All 32 once again, BBL din. Itong number 10 sa Vicente. As play, Capiola, Bang! Good performance, Capiola! Tama. Ano po Team San Vicente? We have only 5 minutes and 15 seconds. Babalik po tayo sa ating second quarter. We have only 5 minutes and 10 seconds. 5 minuto sa segundo tatakbo. 19-34. We have only 18 seconds on the shot clock. Laglag sa kanyang teammates. Leak out. On Tenko, 3-pointer. Nilulig pa yung Tenko. Hindi ka basket to zero. Tenko from the 3-point territory. Crossword, your team of San Vicente. With your team of Bayan Green Shield. Good performance once again. Hindi nagpapagalit mga tropang San Vicente. All 34 point. Dahil kung sino nga po yung manalo dito ay abang sa ating semi-final round. Kanya Puchara and Puchi! Good performance by Kanya. Isa po siya ng Kanya was thrown to us. At ito sa atin ng ating board member, Anton Andres. We have only 4 minutes and 20 seconds remaining. 34-36. Ipon ka ng bola. Kapit nito with jersey number 1. Last touch for Team of Boron. 11 seconds on the shot clock. We have only 4 minutes and 18, 4 na minuto, 18 segundo tatakbo para sa ating working for the second quarter. Ito pa rin po ang ating first batang Palawenyo na ginanap dito sa bayan po ng El Nido. With only 4 minutes and 18, 11 seconds on the shot clock with your team of Green, Pirimino J, Nuno Porto San Vicente. Hindi bumasket for team of San Vicente mga kaibigan yung perimeter J from the 15-foot lane. Walang team na yung yellow. Good Rumors, what a good communication. Ito ang tango at jersey number 1 for team of Huron. We have only 3 minutes and 50 seconds, 34-38. Nakadi-4 na mga tropa natin for team of Huron. Abyan the great ball, kick out from the 21-foot lane, short. Piting yung tirada for team of San Vicente. 3 minutes and 41 last touch for team of Yellow. The ball position with your team of San Vicente. 14 seconds on the shot clock. 3 minutes and 41 is calling the Chuma Big number 11 starts the basket count at may katabi na mataw. Basket count for the Super Eagles number 5 hit to the arm, one shot. First personal foul. Substitution. Number 34 out, jersey number 9. Jersey number 7 out, and with jersey number 6, Alunday Kangi. We have only 3 minutes and 45 seconds mga kaibigan sa patuloy nga pong pagtatrabaho. 2 puntos yung huling sinueldo at meron pang bonus from the free throw. Itignan natin kung makuha nitong Jim Abuto ng 39 point. Pero iba yung nakuha mga kaibigan from officially referee. Followers number 0, holding Farias Abyan. First personal foul penalty situation with 2 free throws. With only 3 minutes and 32 seconds to free throw coming up, penalty situation. Substitution. We'll see number 10 out, and we'll just see number 25 come out coming in. With 3 minutes and 32 seconds, 3 minuto 32, 14 seconds on the shot clock. First free throw group by 1 for Ganya, with the jersey number 14. With only 3 minutes and 32 seconds remaining time, 3 minuto 32, 34, 41. With only 3 minutes and 32 seconds. With 3 minutes and 32 seconds mga kaibigan, ay bago pa nga po mangyari ang mayroong foul, pero nakitang ko ng foul mga kaibigan na naggamit o ginamit dito sa number 14. Kaya nga po siya tumatayo po ngayon sa ating free throw lane. Dahil sila po ang free throw, good performance by Ganya. Isa po po siya kay Ganya, kaya dito sa atin ng mga tropa po natin from Bayo ng Coron. 3 minutes and 27 seconds remaining. We have only 17 seconds on the shot clock. Last touch for team of Yellow. Pole position, San Vicente Basketball. 3 minuto 24 for team of San Vicente. Mag-create ng spasyo. Walang lalapit. Rarating din ng mga tropang green and white shirt. Perimeter JB Abyan. Nugul pa Abyan. Takbuhan for team of Yellow. Kaya ng Coron. Almost out of balance. Nakuha natin ng white shirt. Thank you, nice move. Pero supalpal ng inabot ng kanyang kasamang pinasangan mga kaibigan. We have only time remaining 3 minutos. Uploaded by Good Performance Bronzuela. Isa double shot ng Bronzuela was pro to us ng ating batang Palawenyo. Ibalik natin sa Ingreso ang ating boss Chico Alvarez. Last 15 seconds, 2 minutes and 43. Ong Tenko, nice pass once again. Masasayang naman. Pansin sa mga teammates ng Bayo ng Coron. We have only 12 seconds on the shot na kick out Ong Tenko. Jersey number 8, Ong Tenko, floated. Good performance, Ong Tenko. Dahil dalawang nagawa at maling paggawa yung nakita ng ating officiating referee. There is a whistle blow. Call against Obrero Golisip number 6. Number 6 called for a pushing foul, second personal foul, and 2 team fouls. Pero isa po sa mga player, mga kaibigan, mga team ng Coron ay pumabagsak sa ating sahig pero pinapagpag lang kahit si Sir Ongteco ay sanay ng masaktan. And shoutout po sa mga tropa po natin, sanay ng masaktan. Binanggit na po natin kanina po yan, yung mga ganyang kapila o yung mga ganyang bagsak, hindi po yan talaga masakit. Mas masakit pa rin po yung iniwan ka tapos pinagpalit ka sa malapit. 2 minutes and 21, 2 shot coming up for P.R. Samuel, front row inbound, 90 seconds on the shot clock, 2 minutes and 21 seconds. 96, 44, lead. Ang aagawin din ng bola, 30, San Vicente, pass, front to right, elbow jumper, critical Jerry, yes sir, good boards. 98, 44, takbo para sa ating second quarter. We have only got remaining 2 minutes old. Was Yusuf Berg, according to shooting referee, foul was number 5, pushing foul. Second personal foul, penalty separation. Penalty separation ref. Second personal foul by number 5 and penalty separation ref. We have only 2 minutes and 1 seconds. Group 3 girls coming up against Obrero Golisip number 14. Kanya, first speaker, group 1. Last in the foul, free throw by Kanya number 14. With your team of Bayan ng Coron. We have only 2 minutes and 1 seconds, number 14. Last in the foul, free throw. Kanya, knocks lead. Number 9 Venezuela for the Municipality of San Vicente. We have only 18 seconds on the shot clock. 150. 3-pointer for team green white shirt. No good. Bottom for rebound. And last touch for team of yellow. Last touch for team of Coron. San Vicente basketball. Isang minuto 47 mga kaibigan with 147. 98-46, 1 puntos na pamapayagpag ng mga tropang yellow. Kanya lilipad, yari na naman sa pamang kulot. 2 puntos yung muling mamupulot. Good for the boys by Kanya. 130 seconds remaining para sa ating second quarter. 30 of San Vicente mag-create ng espasyo kong numero 5. Ibigay from the blue paint, kick out ng Suere, papapalito sa Rontengo, side step. Huli ka, hoy! Hindi ka makakapalukit ng pagkahoy. Shot clock down to 3. Legal play. We have only 110 seconds remaining. 40 of San Vicente, third drop. Yes, sir! Good baby horns. 40-48. We have only 1 minute. Isang minuto mga kaibigan, tatakbo para sa ating second quarter, half number 1. 3-pointer by Ongteco. Pempang na naman. 3 points. Easy 3-point shot ng Ongteco was progress. At po sa atin ang minamahal ng mayor ng Iloilo, ang ating Ma'am Edna Gacot team at ng ating vice mayor, ang Ma'am Maningning Villanera Batoy. We have only 8 seconds on the shot clock. We have only 33.5. Pero per team of Coron mga kaibigan, hinabol ni Kuya. Okay lang yung bola yung habulin mo, wag na wag ka lang pagkahabol sa maling tao. We have only 30 seconds remaining. From the top of the kero, 3-pointer. Laking baknet. Pinag-pinag. Kama trap per team of Coron. Outside jumper, 3-pointer per team of San Vicente. Good for 3 points once again. Isa 3-point shot was progress. At impulsado ng mga tropang SPP. Nandito po sila to official this basketball action, completely in good basketball, headed by our regional technical head of SPP, Sir Jason Jack Alcarejos. Once again, mapapanood po tayo mga kaibigan sa ating official social media partner. Ang Facebook page ng ating Pres Nonoy. Siyempre nakakasama po natin dyan ang guwapong announcer na si Aaron Mulian. At siyempre siya naman kay Julia Renta. At kay Vince Morales ng Bayan ng Naga. At speaking of yan mga kaibigan, nag-live din po ang ating dating Edge from Municipality of Coron. And shoutout po kay Boss Nicoy Gabayan from Bayan ng Coron. So pwede po ang ating munting Facebook page mga kaibigan, ang Tito Lloyd Officials. And salamat po sa mga tropa po natin magpa-follow. Sa mga tropa hindi po magpa-follow, i-follow nyo pa rin syempre dapat. We have only 35.4, 43.51 rally score. We have only last 20, 1 seconds in definition ng ating shot clock at game clock. We have only last 15, 14 seconds on the shot clock, isang segundong diferensya ng game clock at shot clock mga kaibigan. We have only 8, 7, at kung rebound wala ng shot clock na tatakbo, we have only 4, 2.9, last 2.2 seconds. While gamitin ang last time out with your team of Bayan ng Coron, 2.9 seconds. Huwag po yung alas mga kaibigan. Magbabalik po tayo after the short break ng ating background San Vicente at Bayan ng Coron. We have only 2.9 seconds, 2.9 buzzer only. 2.9 seconds, wala po tayong shot clock, buzzer only. 2.9 seconds. And there's the buzzer, end of the second quarter, half number.
Dulu mabang konda kali itu. Dulu.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen, back to the morning, third quarter of the game. This third quarter of basketball action ay ating po sa atin ng ating batang palawenyong babalik sa Kongreso, ang ating boss, Chicoy Alvarez. This first batang palawenyong third quarter, naksama ng Cory Pagmama ng Balibay, ipipigil sa loob, good na naman yung magandang connection, and good connection, good for Blue Boys, but there's a go. According to the shady referee, basketball down in front of us with Regency number 0. Always number 0. Second personal foul. For second emotion mga kaibigan for team of San Vicente. We have only 9 minutes and 45 seconds remaining para sa ating third quarter. Jersey number 3. Hahapon na ng bola for team of Municipality of Coron. Franzuela Rarapat. Good for Rubens Franzuela! Isang magandang maniover mga kaibigan itong batang Franzuela for team of San Vicente. At for team of Bayan ng Coron, for team of Viado. Perimeter check from 12 foot. Laglag yung puting sa pagkakatanan. Put back. Yes sir! Good for the boys! Nakikita natin mga kaibigan, tatlo-tatlo po pumapasok na may unang look for team of Coron. We have only 9 minutes and 18 or 15 seconds on the shot clock. For team of Viado. Matutumbay ng isang player ng Bayan ng Coron, nakakatulong at kukuhanin ng isang kakulay for team of Coron Yellow. Pero supang pa yung aakunin para kay Venezuela. We have only 8 minutes and 50. Perimeter J. Laksamana from the right elbow jumper. Good performance, Laksamana! Isa po po siya kay Laksamana. Ay po po sa atin ang bukiling mayor from San Vicente. Ang ating amin para sa marami. Ang ating former mayor, Sontoni Governor. We have 8 minutes and 36. Minutes and 36 seconds, 14 seconds on the shot clock. Well then, take quarter, 53 from downtown. That's a long 2 point, nothing but net. Punit, good for the Hearts. 8 minutes and 25 seconds remaining. 13 ng Bayan ng Coron. Bibiano, tinatawag yung mga kasama nito pero sa pagkalawakan pero siya ng Bibian. Jim Abrig, yari na naman. Good performance by Jim Abrig. Isa po po siya ng Jim Abrig at ipuya sa atin ng ating guwapong board member, ang ating Anton Alvarez. We have only 8 minutes At chamber for team of Martin Green Shirt. No good for team of San Vicente. Their team of Municipality of Corona po sa Eric o Jim Agui. No good for Jim. We have only 7 minutes and 50 seconds. 55-51. Change paper na po tayo. At for team of Martin Green Shirt. Petting with the chain. Moving once again. Takbuhan for team of Bayan ng Coron. Number 7 ang nangulong Malapanakon. Pero try na sisikap at tatama sa pa mga kaibigan. Counter last touch for team of Yellow. 7 minutes and 37 seconds to play. 51-51 ground score. Para sa ating third quarter, ikatulong po ng ating bakbakan mga kaibigan na bakbakan ng San Vicente. Pag ginalagin ng bato ni Win, laban sa ating ng mga tropang nanininig yung blok mga kaibigan na nanggaling ng Bayan ng Coron. 7 minutes and 20. Bukakasya! Yari na naman sila! Good Bogey Boys! 51-57, patuloy na magandang pananalasa ng Bayan ng Coron. Lalaman ng kalahati ko sa Deportivo Viejo laban sa Tingang White and Green Shirt. 13 seconds on the shot clock. We have only 7 minutes. 8 seconds on the shot clock. 3-pointer. Come on! Blue side to lead! 6 minutes and 15. 54-57. 3-point lead for team. Ang Bayan. Last touch for team of Yellow. Miscommunication mga kaibigan. Hindi pagkakaintindihan pero ang kagandahan po noon sa kanilang hindi pagkakaintindihan. Hindi po agad na punta sa hiwalayan. Balik sa repensa ang tropang Coron. And shoutout po sa mga tropa po natin hindi na nagkaintindihan. Napunta agad sa hiwalayan. Hindi po gano'n yung mga tropa natin bilawan from Bayan ng Coron. We have only 6 minutes and 30 seconds but for team of Green Mansion. There's Mr. Door. Merong nakitang motorista nag-parking sa no parking area. Natawagan ang ating officiating referee on 3 seconds violation per team of San Vicente. 6 minutes and 20 seconds from downtown Norwood Chavez. Hindi mapasok kay Mr. Chavez per team of Yellow. But for team San Vicente, tamasan na ang pagkakul Abyan. Norwood pa Abyan. Nakukuha ng mga tropa ng green and yellow shirt. We have only 6 minutes and 5. Ipapagpagin ng mga tropa San Vicente dito. Bounce pass, Jim Abiga Police pangkalawakan. Money over sa loob. But there's a reason no. Over starting on the baseline. Last touch. Ball position for team of Coron. Or for team of San Vicente. 5 minuto 57 na titira para sa ating third quarter. Self-issue red, policy number 25, Kama out, number 10, Antonio Scali. Escalante out, Chavez out, Arao, and Jero, Lusado Scali. We have only 5 minutes and 2 seconds, 3-pointer relax sa mga. Nakuha ni Venezuela ang mga ng bukot, sinong makakadampot ng bola. Last pass for team of Yellow. Substitution ball driven out of Tenko Kami. 5 minuto 40 also na titira mga kaibigan sa ating third quarter. 16 seconds on the shot clock, patipitawan yung bola for team of San Vicente. Pero speaking of patipitawan, merong isang hindi kaaya-ayang pagbitaw mga kaibigan for team of Yellow. First personal foul and first foul. 14 seconds on the shot clock. 14 seconds on the shot clock. 5 minutes and 45 seconds. Story for team of Bayan ng Coron. Jim Aplik ang pulis pakalawakan. Lilipad na naman. Good performance by Jim Aplik. 5 minuto 35, 54, 59. Yung si number 9 na titiwalang bola for team of San Vicente. Pagkamat mabibitawan, last touch for team of Bloody Green. Yellow, green shirt basketball. Bayan ng Coron, offense, team San Vicente. Defense. Defense. Offense. 5 minutes and 30 seconds. Defense. Offense. West Municipal Basketball knockdown. According to officiating referee from Municipality of Bosofron, Española, Sir Marlon Rappers, number 0, in the hand, 8 personal foul. Third personal foul ng Masaman Abian. And 14 seconds on the shot clock. 14 seconds on the shot clock. 5 minutes and 15, 54, 59. Naka-play ang gagawin itong mga nakadilawan from Turukoron Ongtengo. 3-pointer, nearby kay Ongtengo. Agawan ng bubog na bubog ng mga tropang San Jose dito. Number 9, Marcela. Papagpagin yung defender. Pero maling pagkaka-defensa dahil hindi naka-establish mga kaibigan. Pipituhan ang ating officiating official from Municipality of Taytay. Laban sa number 6. Number 6, third personal foul with 2 fouls. 21 seconds on the shot clock. 5 minutes and 3 seconds. Ball position, Opensa, San Vicente. At 5 minutes. 54-59. Magal na komunikasyon mga kaibigan pero hindi babasa na yan. Ongtengo rarap na nitong numero 8 at Mike Kuya yung buhok. 2 puntos na naman yung muling maitututok nitong Ongtengo. Good for the Hearts. 4 minutes and 14. 4 minuto 38, 54, 61. Goal scored sa bandang kanang bahagi. Papagal number 10. 14-77. Huli na naman yun. Agaw ng team ng bayan ng Coron. But there's a whistle blow. A good officiating referee from SBP from Municipality of Taytay, Joey Smenda. Foul number 3. Hot check for team of white shirt. First personal foul and 3 fouls. 21 seconds on the shot clock. 4 minuto 27 na titira sa ating ballgame mga kaibigan for this third quarter. Ito pa rin po ang ating quarterfinals na ating first batang Palawenyo na ginaganap sa bayan ng Ilico. We have only 15 seconds on the shot clock. 21 seconds. Hassel jumper! Bentong naman 3 points! Use a 3-point shot for Turo sa final goal. At itura sa atin ng ating Honorable Mayor, Ma'am Edna Dakuklim ng Bayan ng Iloilo. Good rock, wala pa rin. Battle for Ivan Cholo de los Santos. Basket for Dinoviano. Scoop Pialea. Yusel. 2-pointer. And forward come out with your team of Bayan ng San Vicente. Score 54-66. Ang partner, isang dosena, mga tropang Dinaw laban sa team ng White and Green Shirt. Bayan ng Coron Abate sa ating ballgame. Kaya sa mga kaibigan po natin na malapit na po sa buwin, mga boss, pasigure na lang po yung mga bata, palipat na lang po sa likod. Yan, thank you so much. Palipat na lang po yung mga bata po sa likod. Ipauli na lang po natin yung matatanda dahil critical area po yan dyan, boss. Mahirap pong gawin yan. Iisip ka pa po ng madaling araw. Ayan, tawag. Pag-tunawin. 3 minutes and 52 seconds. Once again sa mga tropa po natin na sa tabing guwid o malapit na po sa guwid, okay lang po yan. Pasecure na lang po yung safety po ng ating mga bata. Baka yan pa po yung maging pangulo ng ating Pilipinas pagdating ng araw. 3 minutes and 52 seconds remaining, 3 minutos 52. Nandito na sa ating tatlong yung po ng paglalaro. Babalik po na sa ating action. 54-66. 12-point lead. Error pass mga kaibigan for team of White and Green Shirt. Jordan Santos! Isulit to Douglas by Jordan Santos was brought to us. Ang ating batang Palawenyo, ibabalik natin sa Kongreso ang ating boss, Chicoy Alvarez. 3 minutes and 30, the great ball up yan, finding the open man kick out. Itong Lasales, pinapagpag yun sa mga bayan ng Colombo. We have only 4 seconds on the shot clock. Shot clock down to 3. 3-pointer, legal play. 3 minutes and 50 seconds. Ongtengo step back na signature move. Ongtengo from downtown. Ongtengo, Joro. Pino Santos, moving once again to Joro. We have only down remaining 3 minutes. 3 minuto na titira para sa ating tatlong yung na paglalaro. Ito pa rin po ang ating quarterfinals na ginaganap sa bayan ng Ilico. Reverse shot na shot ang malakas. Put back, wala pa rin. Takbuhan naman para sa mga tropang dilawan dito. pa rin sa mga player. Yes sir! Minamatching sisip pa. Sana all magaling sumisip. Good baby boys. With only 2 minutes and 35 seconds remaining. Number 1 Rosales. 3-pointer. Franzuela Babaco. Logo de Franzuela. Nakuha nito Rosales mga kaibigan for 2 sa Musante. 13 seconds on the shot clock. Rosales from downtown. Bang na naman. 3 points. 2 minutes and 18. 57-17. 30-point lead. We have only 2 minutes and 13 seconds remaining. Jim Abli, ipapapula defender. Ang pulis na kalawakan na halos isalampak na. Good performance by Jim Abli. Box Lobos. Parang nilalapag na ng mga kaibigan itong pulis pang kalawakan na si Jim Abli for Team of Coron. We have only 150 seconds remaining. Cross-court. For Team of One in green shirt, San Vicente, 8 seconds on the shot clock, perimeter J, hindi kumapit na rin si number 17. With only 140 seconds, 57-72. Ito pa rin po ating quarterfinals na ginaganap sa bayan ng El Nido para sa ating open category ng first batang Palawenyo. Jersey number 4, gumagapang na mga kaibigan, bounce pass kay Jolo. Jolo, turnaround shot, logo pa Jolo. We have only 120 seconds. Pababa na po ng pababa yung ating third quarter. We have only 115. 15 seconds on the shot na 3-pointer. No good once again. Nakakaramdam ng alat itong mga tropang taga-tabing dagat. We have only 105. Kung Tenko, 4 na depensa, isa ang opensa. Ibig tayo ng mga kasama for Tio Bielo. Bayang on, rubber shot, magandang pagpilit, hindi man bumasket. Pero merong nakitang batang sumawit. Follow us with very jersey number 17. Third personal foul and 3 key fouls. And running for penalty number 58.4 to Pedro coming up against number 6. Substitution will end back out, number 7 coming in. We played 4 seconds and thank you so much sa mga player po natin bago pumasok sa ating play court. Nakataki na po tayo. We have only 15 seconds, 74-57. 3-pointer, last 50 seconds. Pass break on Tengkong sa mga bamang bitirano ng bayan ng Coron. Good booty boys on Tengkong. Last 40. 57-76, that's 35 seconds remaining. Cross court with your team of fighting green shirt, bounce pass, maiipit mo na shoulder, shot clock down to 13. We have only shot clock down to 10. Agawan ng punto na kumpal kong Jolo de los Santos. Pass break on Tenko. We have only 20, no more shot clock. Mamang mga kaliwa, hindi magiging successful. We have only last 15. Wala na po tayong shot clock mga kaibigan. We have only time remaining. Last 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. And that's the buzzer. And off the third. The Bullet Tigers mga kaibigan ng ating third quarter. Score 57-76. And then save po natin our visiting team Pasuanga, makakatapat ang hometown o maglalaro sa kanilang sariling tahanan, bayan po ng El Nido. Upcoming next game na po yan para sa ating 40th category. Ang ilakas na 40 pataas dito lang po yan sa lakas ng norte ng ating first batang Palawenyo. Natin po yan sa atin ng ating batang Palawenyo. Ibabalik po natin sa Kongreso ang ating boss, Chicoy Alvarez. Siyempre kasama din po natin ang AMI para sa marami, ang mapihing mayor ng San Vicente, ang son to be governor, at ang gwapong board member, ang ating Anton Alvarez.
57, 76.
And ladies and gentlemen, proud to bring last in the final quarter of the game. Good luck, the Philippines! Introduced by Joe De Los Santos. Easy moving shot by Joe De Los Santos. Ay ating po sa atin ang ating magiging mayor ng municipality of Belido ang ating Ma'am Edna Bacotley at ang ating vice mayor ang Ma'am Luningning Lianela Batoy. Let those be so well according to Sir Seth Ilugat from Bayan ng Taytay. Calling us LC number 6. Hit to the arm, to Pinto, first personal foul, first default. Well, Shabbat, thank you so much to this. Ating Coach Magma Kakatsa at sa buong partner po ng coaching staff ng bayan po ng El Nido. Shabbat kay Boss Magma Kakatsa at sa buong team po ng support ng coach ng team po ng El Nido. Thank you so much kay Boss Magma Kakatsa. We have only 9 and 20. 18 seconds on the shot clock. Medyo malayo-layo ng mga kaibigan. But speaking of malalo, absent jumper number 25, nothing but net. Pulit-pulit, 3 points. Jono De Los Santos, off the glass, hindi nakabutas para kay Jono. 14 of San Luis starting by Coach Tito Yabayan. We have only 9 minutes. 60-79, we have a 19-point lead. Papa na ng papa, mga kaibigan, nabati ng bayan ng Colombino. 13 seconds on the shot clock. Jono, nilaglag sa ilalim. Naago ng San Vicente, yung team of fighting blue shirt. Euclid and 44 seconds, Franzuela. Walang mapapasahan. Nakita ko kasi ng number 6, Alangay. Lulun 1-7 for team San Vicente. 60-79, patuloy na nga pong nananagasa yung bayan ng Coron. No good by team of yellow shirt, 8 minutes and 25 seconds. And good connection and good communication, good performance by Ganya. Natuluyan mga kaibigan dahil pinala kanina ni Coach Kabayan. Hindi umpra pero sa pangalawang pagbabalik ng mga tropa for team of Coron, tutuluyan itong Ganya for team of yellow and green shirt. London for team San Vicente, good performance Francois, 8 minutes. 62-81, off the glass, the Ducks, good performance by Joe De Los Santos. As a jumper from downtown, 3 points. This is a 3-point basket for Dio San Vicente. At ipuyan sa akin ang kanilang head coach na si Coach G. Abraham. 3-pointer for team of municipality of Coron. Bembang na naman, 3 points. 7 minutes and 18 seconds remaining. For team of Marshall, ating taklit from downtown. Pulit-pulit, 3 points. Tatlong sunod mga kaibigan ang binitawan itong mamang numero 25. Itong Sir Kama for team of San Vicente, tatlong sunod. Baliktaran, 68-86, we have on the shot clock down to 10. 8 seconds on the shot clock, behind the back, agaw ng team ng San Vicente, back to pass to Baroman, 14 of Coron. 6 na minuto, 40 seconds, couple of Jeffrey Bonner, Newman 1-7, 14 of Yellow. Aspect for team, of White Green Shirt, Group of San Vicente. Franzuela, mga kaibigan, muling tibo ay pagmamang Franzuela. 6 minutes and 30 seconds remaining, 80 seconds on the shot clock. 70-86, Ganya, pull back, Ganya. No good once again, but there's a whistle blow according to the shading referee. Following us with going to seat number 9, into the arm, 2 shots. Substitution, Bakaro jersey number 10, Antonis Kawii. 2 shot number 14, Kanya, babalik sa ating 15-foot men from the stride. Dalawang libreng free throw. First free throw number 14. Good for 1 point by Kanya. Dancing the foul free throw by Kanya. No good once away. Or no good dancing the foul free throw. 1 out of 2. Last touch is stepping on the sideline. Again out. Jersey number 34. Lan Kami. Yan mga tropa po natin, prepare na po ang main event, ang bakbayan kung tropang Busuanga makakatapat ang hometown bayan po ng Ilino. We have only 6 minutes and 5 seconds on the shot clock. 14 by the ball, number 6. Aatakuin at Evening River, good for the boys. 5 minutes and 53. Unti-unti na nga po ng Mulogo, mga kalamaman for Team of Yellow. Para sa ating nasa naman quarter 70, 89, 19-point lead. 3-pointer, no good attempt from the arc. But for Team Santos Red, the shot ng bago man. Lilipad, yes sir! Grabe naman yun mga kaibigan, yung lipan for Team Santos Red. But ganyan number 14, almost out of balance, sneak out, 3-pointer once again. No good for Team of Yellow, good. Jolo Vilosapos, good for the boys. Jolo Vilosapos! 5 minutes and 18. 72-91, 14-77. Basket for foul. At Micah Urban, the foul. I'm going to be shooting referee, basket count. Following us with wearing jersey number 9, Heat to the arm. Yan, game po natin para bukas sa bahay po ng Dumaran. Our first game, Puyo, laban sa team ng Araceli. Para sa ating open category, our next game, 4 bakbakan po ng bahay ng Puyo, laban sa team ng hometown Dumaran. Yan po yung game po natin bukas, dyan po sa bahay ng Dumaran at live na live po yung mapapanood sa Facebook page ng ating Puyo Owen. At game po natin sa bayan po ng Tectay para sa ating 40th category first game po natin ang ating Estrella de Norte bayan ng Tectay makakatapat ang mga tropang bayan ng Quezon para sa ating 40th category automatic substitution. With only 5 minutes and 10 seconds remaining. One bonus miss number 10 and Phoenix. At susunod po yan ang ating second game, Estrella del Norte laban sa team ng Ginapakan. Yan po mga game po natin dyan sa bayan po ng Taytay bukas at mapapanood po yan sa ating social media partner ang ating Facebook page ng Boys Toroy. 5 minutes and 4 seconds remaining. We have only time remaining. 5 minutes go! 74-91. There's a piece of blow, last pass for Team of Yellow. Richard basketball. Upakwas agad magandang maniobro naman mga pinapakita. Good for the boys. We have only 4 minutes and 49, 80 seconds on the shot clock. 76-91. Mahapala ng papa mga kaibigan at palayo ng palayo mga tropang Coronians laban sa team ng San Vicente. There's a piece of blow according to the shading referee. Following us with very good seat number 9, call for Ruben Arm, 2 shots. Substitution. Yan out, number 0, Adrian Kami. And overall, you'll see number 2, Chavez coming in. Third first foul and first team foul. But out of shooting, to Brito against Lolo de los Santos at the line. Substitution. Applique number 11 coming in for Team of Brown Rudder. We have only 4 minutes and 30 seconds remaining. Number 25. Derratang pilat hindi umasad for Team of San Vicente. Ball position. Team of Brown. minutes and 30 seconds, 76-92. Working of yellow, Chavez creating some space for Chavez, but there's a whistle go. There's a whistle go according to Sir R.B. LaGuardia from the city of Olivia, Puerto Princesa, number 0, blocking foul. Time out. Pahinga muna, mga tropa, for team of Bayan ng Coron. Number 0, Apian, warning for foul. Number 0, Apian, warning for foul. Is remaining 4 minutes and 13. Nandito na sa ating lasa ng final quarter. 76-92. Na-complain sa ating gagawin ng mga tropa for 2 goal. Pero yung hindi naman ginagawa ng mga kaibigan ng San Vicente. Well, speaking of paggawa, hindi nakagawa ng maganda for team of White and Green. Yung only 4 minutes. Number 9. 8 goals to the opponent for team of Municipality of Coron. Shot clock down Wade. We have almost shot clock down to 6. 5 seconds on the shot clock. Legal play. 3 minutes and 43 seconds remaining from the ating bogey. Tatlong minuto 38 pero isa sa mga player for team of San Vicente. There's a whistle there according to Sir Seth Inukat from Municipality of Taytay. According to Sir Goalsy number 3. Pushing foul, second personal foul, and 2 fouls. De Los Santos Jolo out, Ibonga number 1 coming in. Nilalabas si Jolo De Los Santos at papasukan itong Ibonga. As a jumper by si number 5, lead 3-pointer from the top of the floor. Hindi bumasket by lead. Yung binabalak na tatuan sa gitnang bahagi ng ating mga kaibigan. We are on 3 minutes and 20. But there's a reason for according to the shooting referee against number 12, call for illegal pick, charging foul. Dahil nakita nga po naglalambing, pero sa maling paraan na gamit yung paglalambing, tatawagan ang ating officiating referee. Call for charging foul for illegal pick. 3 minutes and 19 seconds remaining. 76-92. Unti-unti na po tayo or malapit-lapit na po tayo matapos sa ating nasa na final quarter. But there's a reason for stepping on the sideline with your team San Vicente. Coron Basketball. 3 minutes and 10 seconds remaining. 76-92 sa mga tropa po natin hindi nakakakita ng ating monitor. Lawan naman po ito mga naka-yellow and green shirts. Sila po ang bayan ng Coron at Jim Abri, ang pulis ng Kalawakan. Good performance by Jim Abri. Isa po shot ng Jim Abri gamit sa atin na ating batang palawin ang ibabalik sa Kongreso. Ang ating boss, Chico Alvarez. At sa Chavo Petro San Vicente, 3 points. At triple shot kay Chavez, yung kamay na malikot na dapat pinapangkamot. Gagamitin na naman pang dukot. Good performance by Chavez. 2 minutes and 27. 3-pointer for Tubiero. No good. Last break for Tubiero. Bayan ako mga kaibigan. Stop pinapulog siya kay Chavez. At sa Chavez. Tubiero. 3 points. 2 minutes and 37. 79-99. Naalamang na po ng 20 point mga kaibigan per team of Bayan ng Coron. San Vicente 3-pointer. Pembang na naman. 3! seconds on the shot clock. We have only 10 remaining laps in the final quarter. Last 2 balls. 150 seconds remaining. 84.99. We have only 80 seconds on the shot clock. Isang minuto 45 Dr. Pino White in Vision last touch. Subdivision lead, jersey number 3, Laksamana coming in. With 142 seconds, isang minuto 42, 12 seconds on the shot clock. 84.99, mahaba-habang kwento pa to. Hindi pa pwedeng manigurado na muna sa ating talaan dahil lahat pwedeng magbago. Pati po, yung feelings niya sa'yo. 132 seconds remaining. 84.99. Shot clock down to 10. Akbayan, reverse shot from the yellow paint. Iikot mga kaibigan itong course dito ay Abayan, but there's a whistle blow. Follow this number 25, Ito Doan, subdivision. Come out, number 10, Antonis coming in. 127 mga kaibigan sa pagpihit nga po ni Costito'y Abayan. Isa po sa mga tropa po natin from Bayan ng Coron. Siya rin po nagmamayari ng Facebook page na Cutting Edge. Yeah. Kaya shout out po, good evening sa mga tropa po natin foreigner. Mahina po tayo sa English eh. Pasabi na lang po sa mga katabi pong foreigner, good evening po, mas maganda pa po sila sa gabi. And good evening and thank you for watching our Easter from different countries. At bago matapos ito, marunong na po tayo mag-English. Thank you so much kay Tom Ryan Gao. Good for 2 guys. Sa tropa po natin from Coron, si Costito Abayan. We have only 120 seconds. Number 6, Nagalayo Pola per team of yellow. We have only 115. Chavez cross score. Ibibigay kay Costito Abayan from Coron. 18 seconds on the shot clock. 110 seconds remaining. Last match for team of green and white shirt. Yelling Vision Basketball. 180 seconds, 13 seconds on the shot clock. 80 for 101. Goes to Abayan number 9. Or number 3-pointer. Looted by Abayan there. Hindi po basket from the arc mga kaibigan. 1 minute! Last match. Sunday 7, Yellow Shirt Basketball, Team Coron. Yan, binili na po yung mga tropa po natin na susunod ang team po ng Paswanga, our visiting team, laban sa team ng hometown na maglalaro sa atin sa Karibing Tahanan ng Bayan ng Iloilo. We have only last 50 seconds. Last 15. 14 ball, get the basket at magkaupat pa foul. Basketball shooting referee follows number 6 deep to the head. Second personal foul and 3 deep fouls. 1 shot coming up against number 12, 14, the Bayan of Coron. We have only last 40 seconds. Racy number 9 for Puro Sunny Center, bounce pass standing for the muscle mga plan. Keep on. We have only 30 seconds for the top of the payroll. No good by Pansuela. Put back for Puro Sunny Center, 28 seconds. We have only 24 seconds remaining time. Now ating last na final quarter. As a Chavez. And back naman to Levi's. Ready for a technical for Puppy. Chavez to the rest of the team. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. And basketball sa last na palikwanan ng game was over. Our official score 84-106. Congratulations! At Pantos sa semifinal round ng ating first spot ng Palawayo and the Municipality Basketball Tournament 2025. Congratulations!